Hey guys, it's Kay. Today I'm going to be looking at the Turtle Beach Recon 50P gaming headset. Okay, so it's a pretty snazzy looking pair of headphones and it includes a microphone built in and is compatible with PC, Xbox and PS4. Okay, so here's the main features at a glance. What stands out to me is the removable microphone and the volume control and mic mute, and the fact you're able to use it with a wide variety of devices. Okay, let's get these bad boys open. I've got a very snug fit here, which makes it all the more difficult to unpack. Okay, first things first, we have the detachable microphone, which at first glance looks pretty good quality and robust. And now for the main package. These are very nicely packed with that moisture gel. Details like that give me the impression that this is a quality product. Oh wow, these are better than I thought they would be. Nice Turtle Beach emblems on the ear pads, and these ear cushions look very comfortable, very spongy, and a nice little touch with the logo on the inside of the ear pads there. Okay, these feel very solid. There's some rotation on the earbuds, we can extend them out here, nice bit of padding for the head there. Overall a great little package. Love the way these fold out flat and compact up for travelling. Extra touch there with the Turtle Beach emblem on the head there. Okay, so this is where you put the detachable microphone. And here's the microphone with a nice controller on it. Gives you the option to mute and unmute with the volume rocker there on the side. Okay, taking a look at the microphone, we can see it's fairly flexible, great quality sponge on it. That metal braiding is very solid, and to me it looks like it's going to last quite a while. Plugging this in is very straightforward. You've got to line up the two lines, and there we go, we're ready to rock. Now I've had a chance to use these headphones over the last couple of days, and what I will say is the quality of the headphones are fantastic. Their headphone output is brilliant, and I will probably start using these as my main headphones, minus their microphone. Gaming with these is great, and the ability to use these cross-platform is a bonus. So guys, I've left links below if you're interested in buying a pair of these. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. If you thought this video was useful, please leave us a like and subscribe, as I'm constantly uploading content.